This is my Hatchimal I got for my birthday, and we're gonna learn how it turns into a baby.
Different colors, and they mean different things.
Show me, Ella. You gonna tap on him?
Guys!
Oh!
He tapped back.
Do it one more time. Oh, look at his eyes.
You can only tap. He'll only tap back if he's quiet.
If he's quiet.
Yeah. Look, he pecked.
It's pecking.
He pecked.
Oh my gosh, is it coming out?
Yes. Let's make a video.
Oh my gosh.
He's coming out. He's coming out. He's coming
Be patient. It might take some time to hatch, it said.
Isn't that cool? Look at it. I'm gonna hold it right there and look.
Be patient. And so don't put your face right by its picking beak.
He's picking. You can see his eyes moving like he's looking. Look,
It's coming. This is so... Don't touch it, baby.
look, it's coming. He's breaking his. I guess he's the best here.
Okay. I think it says to hold it when he takes a break real quick.
You're doing great.
See him?
What was he doing?
He's hatching.
Where was he
Little
pecking?
perfect. He's pecking over here. This is beak.
Show me, Ella.
This is his beak, and he's pecking a lot over here because it's the opening spot.
I don't pull it off.
Why can't I pull it off?
Let him hatch himself.
Is it fun for him?
Yeah.
Ugly. Don't put it on the table.
Let me can try.
So much out of breath.
Let me hold it and see.
Look at all this opening.
Ella, don't.
It's fun for him. It's gonna hatch again. It's gonna start hatching again. Now watch Ricky over here.
Oh, man.
Leave it alone, leave it alone.
Oh, wow, Ella.
Wow.
Don't pull it. Yeah, be careful with
Put your hand
him.
off the top of it. I'll put your hands to the bottom of it.
Oh, my
Don't
God.
put it on the top, you can't pop it then.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, he's hopping over here.
Don't put
That, it's not ready.
He's about to turn into a baby. In 5 seconds or 4? I did 4 now.
Don't pull it, put your hand at the top.
Could you pink?
What do you got there, Ella?
I got an egg, and keep it warm. It's inside a little blanket.
What do you think, Anna?
Good.
I bet one
It's good?
Yes.
Is he all wrapped up? Look at this.
Probably in 1 more minute he will get packed. After he starts packing. 1 more pack and then it'll come out.
We'll see, I don't know.
I think the 1 more pack is gonna come out. Came out a little bit.
Well, hold up, Ella. Hang on. Let me see. Wow. He's cracked it.
I see him turning around.
Don't rip it out.
Don't pull it. Don't pull it. Move your top hand from the bottom. I said move your top hand.
He's saying go up. Look! Look at him! Look! He wants to grab at the egg!
Don't do that. Okay. Okay, stop. Everybody stop. Stop videoing, Ryan. This is a very important
Look
step.
at him.
Okay. When the way is clear,
Keep videoing.
pull me out immediately. Do not leave me in the egg pecking once the shell is removed. Then you just throw it, and you press his belly, and I'll sing happy birthday when he's ready to play.
Happy birthday.
Wait till all the plastic's gone
Oh, wait,
first.
what?
Birthday, I think. That's how he sings it, I guess. Okay.
Did he just walk?
There's no wheels on him.
Okay, so baby, it's just like when he was in the egg, you have to take care of it. And his eyes are gonna, just like when he was in the egg, his eyes are gonna change colors. Tell you what he wants, okay?
Does a big move?
No, the beak won't move anymore. So what color are his eyes right now? I guess just white, I would say. They're green. He has green eyes, so that means, what does he want you to do with it? He's sick. Pat his head to comfort him or squeeze his belly to make him cough. Try to squeeze his belly. What color are his eyes now? Purple? Feed. Feed me by tilting me forward, like that. Yes.
He's sick?
He's purple. His eyes are purple. And there's egg everywhere. Look, eggy.
You have some egg there?
Hard-boiled eggs.
Oh, don't eat that. What's it look like inside this?
Inside of it looks gross.
Here's the lid.
Hey, what's this in here for?
Let me see the bottom.
That's how it controls to move, probably.
Huh. It's pretty neat.
This is how it controls being ooey. It better not be my Hatchimal. I think it is something.
I think the more you play with it, like the faster it goes through the stages, I think. Oh, it's blue.
Cool. Dude, that could be on me.
Yeah? You sure it was on me, dude? You have a lot
Say whatever you want him to say. Say birthday girl or anything you want to say.
Birthday
You gotta hold
girl.
his belly, I think, while you're saying it.
Birthday girl.
And let go of his belly. Are they flashing purple right
Yeah.
now?
Yeah?
When he's dancing, pat his head to play a drum beat.
This is a cool grown-up Hatchimal. I think he just grew.